Well, it's turned nasty out here. It's cold and snowing, and we got to get a sno-cat running.
I'm full of snow.
Yes, we both are. All right, well, we got to start taking that fuel pump off. This nut's a little hard to get at. Looks like we're gonna have to loosen up the alternator.
Yeah, because you ain't got much left down here.
Oh, that one's stuck. Okay, now I need a magnet on a stick.
Okay.
Huh. Won't come all the way out. Gotta get the alternator out of the way. There, it's out. All right, let's see if we got the right pump here. Uh-oh.
What?
I can tell you right now, it's not.
What?
See this right here? That'll hit that hydraulic pump. And so will that. Now it's got to get twisted out a little further. Well, looks like we got to go back to the parts store tomorrow. Well, it's the next day now, and it snowed a bit last night, but we're heading off to the parts store now. We got our old fuel pump and our new fuel pump, and we'll see what we can do. Okay, well, we got a new one ordered, but it won't be here until about 5 o'clock. Well, let's see if we got the right fuel pump this time. Oh, that looks right. What? Oh, man. I was so worried about this that I forgot about this. That ain't gonna work. Looks like we'll be calling again. My own fault. Okay, well, they say the third time's the charm. Let's take a look here. And our arms, well, they're close. And where it comes out, yep, that looks like the one. I guess third time is the charm. Yeah, we'll see if we can get this in here. blow out the line. Should take care of it. Put this back together. That one's tight. Okay. Okay, well, let's see if that works. So our fuel pump still isn't pumping. So we checked out the tank, we checked out the line, we blew out the line, everything checks out, but the pump isn't pumping. I even put my finger over the inlet of the pump and I don't feel any vacuum. You suppose it could be that cup on the front of the cam? So we took our fuel pump off, we checked out the front of the camshaft, and it has an eccentric and it is turning, it's making the pump arm go up and down. It's tight on the front of the camshaft. So we put the fuel pump back on, we're gonna check it again. We got fuel coming out of the pump. Well, the pump is pumping fuel. It's drawing it from the tank and it's pumping it out. All right. That's good. Well, it's pumping fuel up to there. Well, we got it running again, but it doesn't want to idle. So I imagine I'm going to have to clean up that carburetor. So that just goes to show you, better make sure your fuel tank is clean, because it can cause problems like this. Well, anyway, thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.